So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with my second glueless wig from LUVME Hair. Now in case you didn't know, LUVME Hair is doing a summer series where they are promoting glueless wigs for the summer. So if you guys haven't seen my first glueless wig for the summer series, make sure you guys check the description box below for the link, as well as in the cards. I did a bob, so this time I am doing this cute curly wig. Okay, she is a cutie pie. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I will give you guys a little bit more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you know how I feel about the wig. And of course, as usual, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies if you see anything that you like on LUVME Hair. So make sure you check the pinned comment down below, as well as the description box where I will leave my code, and then of course towards the end of the video I will leave it right here on the screen for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into this review. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 2 in the front, 1 in the center, and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap and an elastic band. Now this wig is a lace closure, so you guys did see the lace before I cut it, and this wig is an original middle part. Now y'all know how I feel about middle parts. And since this is a lace closure, I wasn't too much feeling the middle part, so I went ahead and switched it over to a little side part. Okay, I didn't cut any baby hairs. I kind of just did a bootleg, a swoop of the hair to kind of make it look like a baby hair, but it's not really doing its job right now, but you know, it's cool, whatever. So let me go ahead and give you guys some more details about this wig. So again, this is from LUVME Hair. This is their kinky curly neck length 5x5 undetectable lace wig with a natural hairline. It retails for $169.90, and of course you can divide that into 4 payments of $42.48 if you use Afterpay, Klarna, or Zip. Now, the length that they sent me is 14 inches, which is a pretty good length. This is definitely good, and especially for the summer. Nobody wants to be wearing long wigs in the summer, okay? So this is curly, short, and cute. Now, this is 100% human hair. It lasts for a year. The color is natural black, pre-plucked. It can be dyed. Straps are adjustable. Circumference is 22.5 inches, standard medium. Lace is top Swiss, and the lace area is 5 by 5 inches. Now, if I did not mention, I don't think I did, the knots are bleached. They did come already bleached, so that's good because I'm not a pro at bleaching knots, so I really do like that. But this wig is super cute. I love me some curly hair. So originally I had put some mousse in this hair, like just mousse. Usually I put water and then mousse, but I went ahead and put mousse, and then before I switched it to a middle part, I just realized it wasn't doing it for me. So I added some water. and I'm gonna have to keep adding water because, as y'all can see, it dried pretty fast and it looks like puffy, but still cute. And that's really all you have to do. Add some water and add some mousse to this wig, and you got yourself a cute glueless curly wig. So as you guys can see, the lace is undetectable. This wig is definitely glueless. I put my comb all through left and right, okay? All through left and right. And y'all can see that. And y'all can see that this wig is still secured on my head. And of course, it is so easy to take off. All you gotta do is just snatch it off and put it back on. Snatch it off and put it back on. Very simple, very quick, and easy. Perfect for you've been at work all day or you've been at the pool all day. It's hot. Like I said before, it's hot down here in Texas. Nobody has time for, you know, melting down no type of wig, okay? So this is easy. Super easy to take off. And this wig, I don't know if I said it in my other video, but this wig is also beginner friendly. So those of you that are getting into wigs, that don't know how to glue your wig down, definitely start off with a glueless wig, okay? And if you like you some curly hair, I definitely recommend this wig. Nice and short, just, ooh, yes, I love it, okay? LUVME hair has not disappointed me at all. Not at all, okay? Not at all. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. I do want to thank LUVME Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to continue to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the length, the texture, all of that stuff. And as promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies, and my code is thelindsaye. So make sure you guys put that in the little promo code box when you check out. Don't forget to do that, okay? I am all for saving coins, okay? But again, that is pretty much it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.